Riches Creek is a privately owned mine company. It's part of the Bloomfield Group. In New South Wales, we employ approximately 300 people.
So Riches Creek Mine's been here since the 90s. So there's a very strong relationship with Cat equipment during that time, whether it's the trucks, graders, dozers, excavators at different times, loaders.
WesTrac has been the dealer in New South Wales for over 20 years. Our head office is here at Tomago, Newcastle, with various branches around the state to support the customers within the regions and the communities.
We work well with our product support rep on site from the dealer to work specifically on a new fleet introduction. They also assist in monitoring and showing what's available in that technology for us to monitor and get the maximum benefit out of the machines. It allows for good access to parts, good access to services 24/7.
As part of the WesTrac support, we have a parts delivery truck that runs twice a day. We've also got branches that we can call upon for labour and repairs in field service. We also have embedded fitters on site that are assigned to the crews, and again that just increases that reaction time and gets us up and running quickly.
WesTrac have a great relationship with Bloomfield. They're a company we rely on a lot, both the on-site work as well as our off-site component overhauls.
Caterpillar dealers have often got component rebuild centres or CRCs. These are controlled environments in which components can be rebuilt very carefully. So the advantage of working with a Caterpillar dealer is you're coming here to a state-of-the-art facility which is up to Caterpillar standards. We've got a machine shop, hydraulic shop, we're full service.
Having overhauls done at WesTrac using the genuine Cat parts, we can then pick and choose whether we use new or Reman, whatever's going to get us the best cost and the best life out of the component.
We are in control of the off-site rebuilds. We sometimes do them on-site if we choose that is the best option. We'll have the iron ready to go, all the parts sitting there pre-ordered, so that when the machine comes in, it's as simple as stripping the machine down, fitting the new components into that machine. So when Bloomfield do an overhaul on a machine, we'll have a set scope of components and other defects that need repair. When we do powertrain, we'll be replacing everything from the radiator through the transmission and all the pieces and hoses and parts that go with. So the nucleus of the rebuild is around those Reman components that we're slipping in, and then the piece parts just support that.
There's a value in the fact that Caterpillar components are built to be rebuilt as well as the machines themselves. And for us, that's a massive differentiator.
Bloomfields is one of our largest local customers here in New South Wales, largely a family-run business.
It's a local mine, it's a family-based mine, so there's a lot of people here that have got multiple family members that work here and enjoy coming to work here at Riches Creek.
Yeah, there is a bit of a sense of pride. Bloomfield's certainly one of the more family-oriented businesses in the Hunter, and I do enjoy working in the same company as my father.
So I actually grew up in a mine site in Papua New Guinea. So as a very young girl, I watched my father import Caterpillar equipment on the weekends, and when I had the opportunity to come and work for WesTrac, I certainly have found the Caterpillar family, but particularly the WesTrac family, is the reason that I continue to come to work.
The value that you get with using Caterpillar parts is the reliability.
When you come to Caterpillar and the WesTrac dealer, the expectation is that they'll come through every time and we'll come up with a winning solution.
The proof that Caterpillar gets customers what they need to get their job done can be seen in the Hunter Valley.